Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's Gorilla Glass screen protection on Google Pixel 5a. To do this we'll need to open the browser, head on to HardReset.Info. It's our website, and inside you should be able to find the Google Pixel 5a. Here we have it. Click on that phone, scroll all the way down till you see read more. You should reveal basic information, and inside there's a protection LCD which is Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and also the OLED. So that's not the AMOLED display. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.